as ki zat thei na again di le hang nam nga ki khen thei amasa pe na as pen bang hang hiam chi le ichi because to akizat na ki bang because ta nga ki zang thei mo yan te na again sin ni chule hang I am tired because I did not sleep well last night ke zan ni nuam taka I mu thei lo kai changa tun ke gim luai nga chi na toling nga chi na ani na as pen na khat le na khat mi khat le mi khat ite kak chiang aman ama azong tua dan ma hi thei anu dan ma pil apa dan ma thu siam chi dan te pol igen chiang na khat le na khat ite kak chiang zong ke jang thei tua chiang ina ke sep bang in se min chi te pol do as I say ke kong gen dan in se minตัวด้านเตียสงกิจังเทนะตัวจิหลายตะกาจากิเกนเทเกนเตนะเกนสินิจเลหัง as I was walking I saw my teacher ลำกะเช้าหลายตะกาเกนกะเสียนูมูมอกะเสียมานูมู as I was walking I saw my teacher เป็นเสียจงเฮ็ดได้เสียมาจงเฮ็ดได้มะอลีนาอาหิเลปันมุนเตเกนจังas to again take again and again ni chile hang I work as a teacher ken siama din panmun la siama na sema siama din mun panmuna na sema chi na gen te na khat ken lai ni le ken an sai khata mai tai sem ke nu mai kai changa to again di bang heleng I work as a waitress at a restaurant hi restaurant pen atam zon restaurant ji na atak taka restaurant oni bek mo restaurant hi na hi ansai khata ken mai tai se ma chi na nung ai sin sa hi waiter waitress nu me changa waitress to kizang to te pola din mun pan mun te gen chang as to kizang thai anga na kizat na hi level da na igen pan mun din mun te dan ma hi pian in hi chianga hi le ming khati lungsim chi dan te pol ming khati omzia din mun chuak mai lo ria to igen chang ke jang thai gen te na gen ni chile hang to pen igen changa hi le adjective in nungang pai mo as pen she is famous as a teacher hinu pen siama chia min thang siama min thang ma gen te na rang khat gen lai ni chile hang he is known as a kind person ama pen mitrunwa ma mi tampin thai ma thunwam cha ki ge na che na he is known as he changa pasal again long da mai le